Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to pop in real quick, do an intro for this video because I do not have one, and it makes no sense other than like we're in Moab. Yeah, I just wanted to give some context to this. So all this footage is from Moab. It's from the weekend of February 20th, 21st, something like that. Our dear friend Liv, her birthday was that week, and we love Moab, and so we all decided to go down there and climb. Some people, it was their first time in Moab. Some people, like myself, it was like 10th, 13th time, but it was a really good time. It was also really hard for me. That was the weekend of Kim's funeral and dance party and stuff, and everyone there just really helped me get through it, as well as helped me celebrate her. We had a dance party. They let me share videos and other things of Kim and just share her story. And so I just wanted to say a special thank you to everyone attended, because you have no idea how much you meant to me, how much it helped me heal, and just how much it means to have community and fellowship around hard times like this. But also just complete strangers rallying around you just really, really meant a lot to me. And so without further ado, this is the footage from Moab.
Rule number one of rock climbing.
Looking good.
Cool.
Out here in Moab celebrating Liv's birthday and just friends and fellowship in general. Today is Kim's funeral, and that's super sad, but it's nice to be honoring her this way. Honoring her climbing, honoring her being with my friends, honoring her in a lot of different ways, and I feel very blessed.